I always had this joy in my mind whenever I wash clothes and it happens that there is money in one of the pockets, especially when it's hobby's money. It dey give me one kind joy, no matter what, even if you have your own money. Hobby's money, hobby's money dey sweet pass. So who is with me on this? Every time I wash this man's clothes, I must find one or two things inside the pocket, especially money. And most times, no be small money. Oh. So I woke up today and I was feeling dull. I decided to brighten myself up by washing few clothes. And bet me, at the end of this washing, I feel much better. Any day I sit one place without doing anything, I used to have a dull day, like I used to be still, unless I do one or two things. You can call me workaholic, but trust me, any day I feel like not doing anything, I will not do. I'll just be seated like that. At least body no be firewood. But as a mom, you cannot see a dirty cloth around you and you kept calm. You have to do one or two things to reduce the work. Whether you have the energy or not, you have to do it. The same thing applicable to me. When the house is dirty, even if I'm tired, I'll just say, let me just stay. Let me just rest for some minutes. But before you know it, I'll just pick up broom and keep the whole place clean. I don't know if it's happening to you, but um, I don't know the kind of spirit this thing is. But I'm seeing it as home training. Anyway, join me while we wash clothes together.